Okay friends, today I'm going to show you how you can trade directly from Dhan Tradingview charts. Basically I'm going to use this Tradingview charts for scalping, for a quick buy and quick exit, and I'm going to show you a setup that you can follow and use it to scalp for options, Bank Nifty options or Nifty options. So I have this is Dhan trading platform. They have trade from Tradingview. They have also Dhan app and Dhan web. Both of these are also very good, but I'm going to show you from Dhan with Tradingview tv.dhan.co. You have to go to tv.dhan.co. So in this tab I have used this split window, and on one left hand side I have selected Nifty Bank, and on the right hand side I have selected Nifty 50. So this way you can compare whether they are in sync or not. It is advisable that you trade when both of them are in sync, not when one is going up and another is going down. And in the next tab I have opened the Bank Nifty premiums. You can select your premiums from here. In the money OTM, it is advisable when you scalp at least go one in the money or two in the money. You select the tab here and you choose your premium from here. You just select the chart, view chart, and this will load here. View chart and this will load here. And then you select the right hand tab and you select the put side premiums, and you select that. This one will be selected here. And on the next tab I have selected the Nifty premiums. On the left hand side the call side premium, and on the right side I have selected the put side premium. There is a button here called the scalper. When you select it, a scalp button will be shown here. You can select the number. One lot is for Bank Nifty is 50. If you want two lots you have to manually enter it 30, and you have to select the side you are about to trade. Say if you want to select the call side, call put premium, you select the call side and you refresh it, refresh button, and this will be, and this one will choose this side of the call side of the premium. And if you, when you want to buy on the trade on the put side, you select the put side and you refresh that, and this will select the put side premium. When you click on the buy button, after the order has been processed, you will be shown a notification here that buy order processed, and a small ticker will appear here which will show your profit or loss. And after you have done the scalping, you have achieved your desired profit, you can click on the cross of that ticker and it will automatically close the trade. Before that, you also should know that there is a setting there, and you have to select the instant order placement. In that case, if you select instant order placement, it will not ask you for a confirmation, and that will make the scalping more efficient and quicker. If you unselect this instant order confirmation, a confirmation, when you click on the cross, a confirmation will pop up asking you to confirm whether you want to sell that, you want to end that order or close that order, and you have to select yes then. But if you select instant order placement, it won't ask you for that confirmation. It will directly close that order. After you have selected the buy order, you have put a buy order, you can also right click here and select trade and put a stop loss here in the third option, and a stop loss will have ticker will also appear here. You can drag the stop loss up when the price goes up, so you can trail your stop loss. When the candle is going up, when the price is going up, the candle will be going up, and you can drag your stop loss at the desired location, and in case the price suddenly falls down, it will hit the stop loss and it will close your order. And that is why I like this setup. This setup is only available at the moment on Dhan and to some certain extent on Fires, but Dhan is very good for scalpers who do momentum trading. When you suddenly see a momentum, you press the buy button, and after you have achieved a desired profit, you click on the cross button and the sale is closed and you lock your profits. Okay, let's see a live example now. I've just clicked the buy button and the order notification is shown on the left, and my live PL is being displayed on the ticker. And to set a stop loss, you have to click you have to select a desired price and select the third option. If you select the second option, your order will get rejected. You have to select the plus button and click the plus button and select the third option to set a limit stop loss price. You can see now my stop loss has been placed, and you can drag it above to move your stop loss up, and you also have to drag the initial stop loss price together. In that way, if the stop loss is hit and your loss will be minimum, and this is very useful because you can book profits when your trades become profitable, and you don't have to set a target. You can go as much as you like, and here I have dragged my stop loss close to my buy price. If the price comes down, it will hit my stop loss and exit the trade. Let's see what happens next. And the price has gone up. I am going to move my stop loss up to book some minimum profits. As long as the price is going up, I am going to drag my stop loss up. Here I have aggressively moved my stop loss up, so my stop loss was hit and the trade was exited. I took this trade for the purpose of a demo, so I was a little bit aggressive when dragging my stop loss. You can be a little less aggressive so that you can get as much profit as you can and as high as you can. This facility on Dhan is very useful, and you can see the live PNL and you can drag your profits, and it's very interactive. So I find it very easy to take a trade using this Dhan Tradingview platform. I am sure you will love it too, and I have put a link in the description where you can open your new Dhan account. Remember, if you open a Dhan account in the name of a female, you get 50% discount on your brokerage charges. So utilize that and you will save a lot more on your broking charges. This is a very good trading platform. It has lots of other features that I am planning to create videos on so that I can educate you viewers. Bye bye. Happy trading.